Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pixel Tutor, and this is your tutor Shahzad Afzal. In today's part 4, we will learn how to create a visiting card in Photoshop, and we will design front and back of this card. So let's start. First of all, I have created a color palette for this card. I want to use these three colors including dark gray. So I want to tell you how to create the color palette. We'll draw a marquee over here and then take a new layer, fill, and then color it into dark gray or charcoal color. Hit OK. So in this way I have created these all four palettes. So let's start. What I have to draw is here I want to draw a sports shape sign. Let's draw it. And first of all, we started with pen tool here in this way. Hit P and then alter and click on this anchor point, so it will be pointed. After that it will not create a curve. So let's click over here and then here. In this way we can create a shape. So I have created this shape. We will create a shape in this way with the pen tool, and be sure to select the shape and color should be selected, and then we will select the pen tool and then draw this shape in this manner. Okay, I have drawn this shape. And then convert to smart object. Now I have to draw another shape along with this line till here. Let's select the pen tool by P. Select the color. We have to select the color by eyedropper, and we'll select the darker color. Then I'll hit P. As I have created these shapes, I'll paint a background underneath it, and we will hit M and then select a layer, select the color through eyedropper, hit M again, and then fill it, color, and I'm selecting this color from here and hit OK. So it has been done now. See, the color has been filled. We have created these three shapes. Now I have to bring an image. I have to bring an image of a car over here, and be sure that you are working in CMYK mode, and your image size should be at least 300, or best as you may, if you are working on a visiting card, because it's a very small design, so you have to create it on 600 dpi or ppi, pixels per inch, and its size should be in centimeters. At this time I am working on 9.1 centimeter by 5.5 centimeter and 600 dpi, and your color mode should be CMYK. So let me explain you how to open a document, how to create a canvas to create a visiting card. You have to go to File, New. Here you have to select the centimeters, landscape, and 9.1 centimeter by 5.5 centimeter. I am making at this dimension at this time, and you have to go to CMYK color and just create it with the white background. You will find a canvas in CMYK mode. Now I am going to bring an image. I'm going to bring this image over here. As you can see, I have brought this image over here in Photoshop. I'll drag it on the card. This image should be at least 300 pixels. 300 pixels per inch at least. Otherwise your resolution will distort on the card which is going to be printed. High resolution dimension, and it will not distort. I'm going to place this car over here. I'll check the opacity. I'll decrease the opacity because I have to cut this image. For cutting we can either use magnetic lasso tool because we have sharp edges, and we can click on magnetic lasso tool and it will select the color. Let's move, move, go up, and then just click. This is one method. You can add this selection into the image. Either you can select it by pen tool too, but I am selecting this by the help of magnetic lasso tool. you can subtract the selection if you have selected too much, and then you can add the selection if you require any area to be added in the selection. Okay, now I'm going to select this corner, and image till here. I have selected this. I'll go to image, increase its opacity, and select inverse, delete. You can see I have created this half part, and now here could be the logo of your company. So the person who requires the visiting card from you, you have to ask about the logo from the company or the person who is willing to get the card be designed from you. So you have to ask them about the logo. If the logo is not present, definitely you have to create the logo, as I have created these two flows by pen tool. You have to create the logo. At this time I got the logo from the company, and we can make the background a bit darker so that it may get visible. Either we can change the color of this background. We can do this. Let's lighten this color a bit, or darken it. Sorry, let's darken this color a bit. Let's darken this color a bit so that our logo may get visible a bit. See, now it's visible. So you are getting confused in the background color of Photoshop and this card, but we can decrease the color from, because this is your design and you know which color to be used. Do not change the logo's color. You have to play with the ground. Now I'm going to bring some items which I have pre-made. Location and email address. First of all, we'll copy the person, because we have to indicate the name of the person. You have to give a color. You have to color it that color may be visible on it. I have a palette. You can rasterize it and color overlay. This mode, you have to take care about this mode. This should be normal, and then you can select these colors. Let's view it on 100%, and now we will bring name, his contact number of the person, you have to take care about these icons to be in the same size, and then go to blending option, color overlay, the same color we have before. Okay, it should snap these two. I'm going to decrease a bit. His contact number, his first of all we have to put the mobile number. We are going to decrease the size of the icon according to this one. See, it has snapped at 55 pixels. These two icons, three icons. Now I am going to bring the email address. You have to decrease the size for it. Its size should be at least equal to this. We can select these all and then align it. I think either the size is different, 87, 87, 71, 71, 71, 71, and this is 71. So these all should be same. It looks like a kite, but I'm just making it for your general idea. You must know how to create visiting cards. When you will practice, you will get to know the things better. This is just for an idea. I'm just bringing this location icon. I want to color this location icon. I'm using Illustrator, but I'm teaching you Photoshop at this time. So this is location icon, and I have to resize it according to the size of this mobile. I have done it. 72, 72, 72, 70, 71. It should be 71 too. I'm going to align them. 70, 70, and this should also be 70. As I have created these, now I'll add the text for these. Horizontal text type tool will be used to add text, and select the icon from the top. I want to use a simple icon, simple font. Let's select the font from here. I'm going to use this simple font, and it should be at least 8. Or we can decrease it. I think there is enough space. I have to select the color. I don't want to use capitals for it. I want to go for a small letter font. Let's select the font, and then let's suppose the name is James Smith. And the font should be larger. Let's change the color to required color and visible. Name is James Smith. And I think it will be readable. James Smith. His contact number, you can alter and V You can hit V and alter and drag the upper text to copy. So we are going to add contact number blah blah blah, and you can copy this. Let's decrease this size to 6. So this is the correct number for Mr. James Smith, whatever, and you can add james@gmail.com. and his website, company's website, www.carrepair.com, and location. Seven four five dash or comma Texas, United States. Okay, we have to decrease the size. So it was the basic tutorial for creating a card. Now we can delete the color palette. Let's check the alignment of this. That's fine. It's a ruler. So guys, thank you for watching the tutorial, and I request to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.